Here's some civil rights trivia. Subscribe. What act outlawed discrimination based on race in 1964? Is it A, Americans with Disabilities Act, B, Civil Rights Act, C, Voting Rights Act, or D, Fair Housing Act? The correct answer is B, Civil Rights Act. Who delivered the I Have a Dream speech? Is it A, Malcolm X, B, Martin Luther King Jr., C, John Lewis, or D, Rosa Parks? The correct answer is B, Martin Luther King Jr. Which amendment abolished slavery in the U.S.? Is it A, 15th Amendment, B, First Amendment, C, 13th Amendment, or D, 19th Amendment? The correct answer is C, 13th Amendment. What movement sought to end racial segregation? Is it A, Reconstruction Era, B, Civil Rights Movement, C, Abolitionist Movement, or D, Suffrage Movement? The correct answer is B, Civil Rights Movement. Who was the first African American Supreme Court Justice? Is it A, Clarence Thomas, B, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, C, Sonia Sotomayor, or D, Thurgood Marshall? The correct answer is D, Thurgood Marshall. What legal case established separate but equal? Is it A, Plessy v. Ferguson, B, Brown v. Board, C, Loving v. Virginia, or D, Roe v. Wade? The correct answer is A, Plessy v. Ferguson. Which president signed the Voting Rights Act? Is it A, Richard Nixon, B, Harry Truman, C, Lyndon B. Johnson, or D, George W. Bush? The correct answer is C, Lyndon B. Johnson. What event took place in Selma 1965? Is it A, March on Washington, B, Selma to Montgomery marches, C, Vietnam War protests, or D, Montgomery bus boycott? The correct answer is B, Selma to Montgomery marches. What landmark case ended school desegregation? Is it A, Brown v. Board of Education, B, 1965, C, Plessy v. Ferguson, or D, Martin v. Board? The correct answer is A, Brown v. Board of Education. Which organization did Malcolm X lead? Is it A, Nation of Islam, B, Black Panthers, C, American Civil Liberties Union, or D, Southern Christian Leadership Conference? The correct answer is A, Nation of Islam. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.